Hey, what's up? Chin here from Code and Quick Tips. Today with a new video about libGDX. In this video I will cover the basic structure of a new libGDX project. The first thing you will notice is that you won't get, like normally, one project. You actually have one main project, one core project, and one project for every platform you want to develop for. The first thing to notice is libGDX automatically transfers your code from your core project to all the other projects, so they're linked together. So you will only have to write all your code once here, and then it will automatically be adapted to all the other projects. So the very first thing I want to show you is how to start up every single project type, so you can actually test them out. Let's start with the desktop version, because that's the easiest thing, I think. Just right click it, and you want to go to Run As, and then you want to go for Java application, and say you will start it as a Java application. Then you want to choose here the main class and just hit OK. That should be it, I hope at least. Yep, there we go. So that's a basic desktop example project. It only renders an image now. We will change that later on, so don't worry about that. If you go for HTML and you got installed the Google Web Toolkit, you also can just right click, choose Run As, and then Web Application. If you go for that, it will load a bit, and if you take a look at that, you will see that yes, that URL here. You just right click that, copy it, and then you want to go to your browser and open it up there. So I now started, or I now pasted the URL I got from here. The URL I got from here. I just pasted it in my web browser, and that also displays the HTML5 project of our current game, or of the image that we render right now. So that's also quite easy in my opinion. You just hit the stop button here, and the server gets closed down. Yep, there we go. Quite cool, I think. And the next thing you can do is the Android project. I will do it with a simulated device, so you can see the recording on the screen. I would highly recommend you to do it with a physical real device, because you just can't test devices in the virtual machine. It won't have any performance. It's like 1 FPS. But just to show it to you, you right click it, hit Run As, and then you want to go for Android application. I will pause the recording here for a second, because Android device takes a bit to actually boot up. Okay, now the device has booted up, so you can see that here. If we go and unlock it, it should normally go here and start up our app or our application. So yeah, that takes always a bit, so really take a physical device that speeds everything up. So now we get asked to start Logcat, debugging thing for Android. Just go for OK, and here you go. We got our libGDX project on an Android device or an Android virtual machine. Won't matter really. So that's how easy it is to develop it for those platforms. For iOS you need monodevelop, and you need to export the project. I won't cover this now. If you really want it, I can try to cover it, but as mentioned before, it's quite expensive, so yep. So another thing is libGDX would also support Ouya. If you don't know it, it's like this indie console thing. I really don't know if I should get one or if I will buy one. So I would really like to hear your opinion in the comments if I should get an Ouya to try to develop for that, and if you wanna see Ouya videos, because I'm definitely interested in that platform, because it's just great to think, make console games and that for such less money. But anyways, let's carry on here. If we open up the main project, so the project without anything behind it, so not to Android, not to desktop, not to the HTML, but just to is your core project. That's the project where all your really game code will go. So in that package we got our main game class, and that's our starting point for our actual game. So in that file we will actually jump in if the app starts. So that's a place where we will actually go to code something. As you can see here, it already displays an image, but I will go over that in the next video on how to display an image and what the main class is. The next thing you will notice is here is no res folder. So here's a source folder, some libraries and more libraries, but here's no res folder. That's why you have the Android project, because you will actually need to place those assets or those resources into the Android project, because that's just how Android projects work. You need to place the assets in the assets folder of the project, otherwise it won't be able to run on Android. And therefore libGDX just puts all the assets, or you put all the assets into this assets data folder here. So here's the image that is displayed in the demo. And you wanna put all the resources in here, because all the other projects are linked to the Android project, so they will actually load up this data folder and you can access it from every platform, but you need to place it in the Android, because that's how Android works. Yeah, basically. And if you also take a look at the source folder in the Android, you will see that's the main activity here. You can enable OpenGL 2.0. What that does, you can actually enable that on every platform. I will go over that. What that does, OpenGL 2.0 isn't supported by all devices, but I think it's quite common. So if you got a really old device, it won't be able to run OpenGL 2.0. But yes, the thing is, OpenGL 2.0 offers way more things. So like smooth shaders, and also like with OpenGL 1.0, if that's on false, you can only load images with a power of 2, so you can load images with 2x2, I don't know, 2x4 or something like that, so only 2, you actually need an image size with a power of 2. For the beginning, I would just go and set that on true, because it's easier to develop than, so I'll do that. But you won't reach all platforms with that. You can actually go and do that for every platform. So if we go into desktop, source, main, you will see we can set the actually screen width. We can't do that in the Android, because the Android, it's bound to the device, so you can't set that. But here we can also go OpenGL true. We can set a title of the window, so yeah, cool window or something. I don't know, but you get it. And you can change the size here. You can also go. Yes, that's the main class actually. You see that's the main class. It's automatically created, so you could change that too. And in the HTML, you can also change the size of the actual GBT applet. And yes, that's quite nice. And you can also go here and change that class. That's it basically about the Android project, about the libGDX project. The two most important things are: all your code goes here, all your assets go here. So those are the two basic rules. In the next tutorial I will cover rendering, and after that input, so the basic stuff actually will come in the next tutorials, and I will try to split up the like theoretical stuff, like let's say AI. I will try to keep that in an extra video so you can adapt that to every engine, because doing a video to every single engine for every single topic is too much, I think. So I will try to keep the videos as independent as possible, so you can actually take them and go with them and use them on every topic or on every problem you have to solve. Yes, that's it, and as always, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.